Donald Trump announced on Twitter that he would not be attending the annual White House Correspondents Dinner in April. This comes as a surprise because for the last 36 years no president has skipped it. Even though Donald Trump won't be there, there's an idea floating around that Alec Baldwin could take his place. Actor Zach Braff came up with the idea, and stated on Twitter, "Alec Baldwin, time to suit up." No reply yet from Alec Baldwin. However, Donald Trump would be very displeased if he took up the request. Donald Trump on Twitter expressed his hate of Alec Baldwin's impersonation, saying, quote, "Watched Saturday Night Live hit job on me. Time to retire the boring and unfunny show. Alec Baldwin portrayal stinks. Media rigging election."